Hello friends, welcome to the channel PsychoTech Score 100%. In this video, I am going to discuss about mental disorders, psychopathology and types of mental disorders. So let us start the video and understand what is mental disorder. Mental disorder is a condition which is characterized by cognitive and emotional disturbance, abnormal behaviors, impaired functioning, or any combination of these conditions. Such disorders cannot be accounted for solely by environmental circumstances and may involve physiological, genetic, chemical, social, and other factors. Further, specific classifications of mental disorders are elaborated in the American Psychiatric Association's Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, that is DSM, and the World Health Organization's International Classification of Diseases, that is ICD. So, to understand the classification of mental disorders in details, you can refer to DSM and ICD. Mental disorder is also called as mental illness, psychiatric disorder, psychiatric illness, and psychological disorder. So, all these terms represent same thing. Whether you call it mental illness, psychiatric disorder, psychiatric illness, psychological disorder, or mental disorder. Now let us discuss what is psychopathology. So psychopathology is the scientific study of mental disorders, including their theoretical underpinnings, etiology, progression, symptomatology, diagnosis, and treatment. Here you can notice that psychopathology is not the mental disorder. Psychopathology is the scientific study of mental disorder. Further, this broad discipline draws on research from numerous areas such as psychology, biochemistry, pharmacology, psychiatry, neurology, and endocrinology. The term in this sense is sometimes used synonymously with abnormal psychology. Till now, we have discussed in brief about mental disorders and psychopathology. Now let us discuss about types of psychological disorders. There are various types of psychological disorders like neurodevelopmental disorders, which includes intellectual disability, global developmental delay, communication disorders, autism spectrum disorder, and ADHD, that is attention deficit hyperactive disorder. Next type is bipolar and related disorders, which includes mania and depressive episodes. Anxiety disorders. Anxiety disorders includes generalized anxiety disorder, that is GAD, social anxiety disorder, specific phobias, panic disorder, separation anxiety disorder, etc. Next type is stress related disorders, which can include acute stress disorder, adjustment disorder, PTSD, that is post traumatic stress disorder, reactive attachment disorder, etc. Next type is depressive disorders. There are various subtypes of depressive disorders like disruptive mood dysregulation disorder, persistent depressive disorder, which is also called dysthymia, unspecified depressive disorder, premenstrual dysphoric disorder, substance or medication-induced depressive disorder, or depressive disorder due to another medical condition, etc. Next type is schizophrenia, then obsessive compulsive disorder, personality disorders. Personality disorders includes antisocial personality disorder, avoidant personality disorder, borderline personality disorder, dependent personality disorder, histrionic personality disorder, narcissistic personality disorder, obsessive compulsive personality disorder, and many more. Somatic symptom disorders, eating disorders, sleep disorders, disruptive disorders, substance related disorders, and neurocognitive disorders like delirium. In this video, we have discussed briefly about mental disorders, psychopathology, and types of psychological disorders. In my next video, I'll discuss one of these types of psychological disorder in detail. Till then, take care. Bye bye.